Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, select General. Scroll down to the bottom of the General settings and tap Shutdown. Now in the Shutdown menu, tap the Shutdown icon in the top right corner. Slide the Power Off icon to the right to turn off the watch. There is also a shortcut to get to the shutdown menu to turn off the watch quicker. Hold down the side button until the shutdown menu appears, and then tap the shutdown icon. You can also get to this menu by holding down the Action button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.